Hello. Let's have a chat about day one, shall we, of the 30-day challenge. I was thinking about calling this the Be Swell challenge. Anyway, I popped a post onto Instagram this morning just to show people the green juice, which I've started to incorporate, or green shot if you like. I do often use celery juice and cucumber juice. Cucumber is really good in terms of hydration, so I'll probably need one of those this afternoon. However, if you read any of the work by Anthony Williams and in particular the Medical Medium books, you'll already know all about celery juice. So that is something that I want to introduce as my lifestyle habit on a consistent basis for 30 days. So this morning was the first morning of having that. And it's quite interesting. Quite interesting what it does to your body, actually. It can taste quite strong and bitter, especially mine, because I grow the celery from the base of the one that you buy at the shop after it's had a bit of a bath in some bicarb and some vinegar and things like that. And then, pop it in the ground, or actually put it in a plate with some water. That will sprout the roots. Then pop it in the ground and away you go. I reckon I'm going to have a visitor in a minute. That's why I'm rushing. Anyway, yes, mine is quite strong and bitter. Why? Because I also choose to juice the leaves. So if you just juice the stalks of the celery, happy days. If you are purchasing celery from the shop, please make sure that you wash it. Why? Because everything gets sprayed, right? It's bulk manufacture. Even though it's plants and veggies, it's bulk. And the best way to control pests and to make things grow is to spray them with shit on a bulk level. So that's what they do. So make sure that you wash them. Anyway, now the document that I was referring to, that is the 30-day lifestyle challenge document provided by doTERRA, which assists you with incorporating new habits to stack on top of existing ones, talks about their little pyramid thing, right? So they are going to focus on rest and relaxation, movement and metabolism, nutrition and digestion. So yesterday's suggestion was around nutrition and digestion, and they provided a smoothie recipe, which was their chosen protein powder, which is actually a whey protein. It's not something that I work with, but whey protein, and it has probiotic in it, which a lot of them are doing now, and collagen. So I'm going to unpack that particular product and share about that within the little group that I've got happening. But for those of you following along at home, the recipe was a scoop of your chosen protein powder, a banana, your choice of milk or water. I would probably suggest coconut water or something hydrating. Make sure you check the back of the packets with those that you buy, if you buy them. Otherwise, do it with fresh coconut. You can get them as well. And you can also use the coconut flesh from the fresh coconuts for a really yummy, crunchy, dark mousse dessert, which is really cool. Anyway, what was in it? So protein powder, which included the probiotic and the collagen, banana, one medium banana. Yes, Beaky, I'll do your dinner in a minute. Yeah, baby. One banana, and what else was on there? What else was in the smoothie? Coconut water or your choice of milk, and you're cheeky. And I think that was it. And you just blitz it up and away you go. Anyway, on that note, I'm out of here. So I hope that you're having a fantastic time with the challenges. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.